New laws go into effect January 1st to restrict the state's health insurance companies from reducing patient care. Here are just some of them. These are part of the Health Care Protection Act that Governor J.B. Pritzker signed on July 10th, 2023. This includes measures to restrict the methods the health insurance companies use to reduce patient care, and insurers cannot require prior authorization for a patient to get emergency treatment at a psychiatric facility. Another law requires insurances to cover name brand prescription drugs if the generic drug is unavailable because of a supply issue.